give you a little intro here. It's Wednesday, December 13th, not Friday the 13th today. And we usually get up about 5, somewhere between 5 and 6. The whole family is usually up, so we get up and get going. 7 o'clock now, so when we go outside, it's low light conditions. I don't have real good cameras yet, so at least there should be more light in here. Give you a little intro to the video. Girls are already outside doing their chores, dog chores, cat chores, chicken chores. I'll take Jocelyn over to the barn here. She'll do the horse chores, and I'll do the cow chores, and we'll go to the field. A couple more days of harvesting to do. We decided today Lemuel can be a handful all afternoon. He wants to get out, so we're going to try to let him get out today. But we're going to run it in the morning. Run him in the morning, and then have him in the afternoon. So he's shifted his schoolwork to afternoon, and we're letting him be out of this morning. This little slimy muddy of an afternoon anyways. Okay, heading to the barn. Me and Jocelyn. Here we go. Okay, we're here. We put the family in family farm, and we take the family part serious. And here we are already. It's the sun's come up. It's, I don't know if you can see that or not, 8:21. We've already drank most of one pop. Here we are. We got 2 in the combine, 3 in here. And what did you just tell us, Lemuel?
I need to go to the bathroom.
Hey, all ready for the first potty break. Only 8:21 and we're out the door already. So we put the family in family farm, and that includes 5-year-olds taking about 20 or 30 potty breaks a day. Why are you crying? You found out you have to go in this afternoon. Lemuel, 5-year-old little boys can't be out 8 hours a day. You'll get exhausted. I told you, if you you're going to go in, and you can do your schoolwork this afternoon, and you can do what you're supposed to do, and maybe you'll be out tomorrow if we can, and we might finish up, and you'll be at the end of the harvest. But you can't be out 8 hours a day like a man. You can't be out all day, every day, without getting tired and wore out, and even bored. I know you want to, but you can't. And you got inside stuff you're going to have to do. And the girls are going in too. You need to enjoy it while you're out here, and just because you know now that you're going in this afternoon, you don't need to let that ruin your good time out here. You want to do some driving? I'll let you do some driving. But you're going to have to go in at lunchtime. That was my plan. And that's what. And I'm the dad, and I have to make the decision, and I'm deciding it. And you need to be respectful of that decision. You will get too overtired and overexhausted and fatigued if you stay out here all day, every day. Not to mention, little boys need to do some learning too. And you need to go in and do some learning time. And these older girls got to too. Okay? And now, I'll let you do some driving. We'll see if we can get you some seat time and some wheel time. But you need to be grateful for the time you have out here. You need to be content with the time you have out here. And you need to not let the knowledge, and now that you know that you're going to be going in this afternoon, you don't need to let that ruin all the time that you're going to have out here this morning. We're doing short rows, and we're doing hills, and it's boring, and it's time consuming. And you're not missing out on much. You want to do some driving time? We'll get you some driving time in. We'll get you some seat time. and you'll have a little bit of driving here before the end of harvest. I think that's fair. You think that's fair? You're a good boy, Lemuel. But you'll have to kill yourself before you slow down. I can't let that happen. How old are you? 5. You're still going to have to operate within the boundaries of what a 5-year-old can do. How would it be if I made you, if I just let you go until you keeled over? That wouldn't be too good. Your heart and your will is there, but somebody has to slow you down. And that's why God gave you a daddy. God gave you a daddy to raise you up and to teach you and train you and to help control you. You'd be out here until you was exhausted, fatigued. And that's not good for a 5-year-old. It's not good for old men. You're 5. You're out here learning and doing the best you can, and you'll have opportunities when you grow up even older. You know how many other 5-year-old little boys is doing what you do? Not many. Not many at all. You're the best 5-year-old boy I could ever imagine. You're the best 5-year-old boy I've ever seen to come out here and do like as good as you do. So you need to be grateful. You need to thank God for that. You need to thank your mom for letting you come out here and your dad. Be grateful. Don't be sad because you got to go in this afternoon. It's okay. You'll be fine, Lemuel. I told you you're going to come out tomorrow and you get to go over that other side. What if you get yourself sick and tired today and you couldn't even come out tomorrow? How would that be? How would that be, Lemuel? Not very good. We have to save some of your energy to finish up tomorrow. Don't you think that's fair? I love you. Come here and give me a hug. I'm just doing what's best for you. Just doing what's best. You're okay. Let's see if we can do some driving. Okay, let's do some driving. Clean up your tears. You're the best son I could ever have. Come here. I love you. Okay. I'll drop that. Yeah, Emma, you can do some recording for him. You stand up and get him a recording. Okay, you're doing it. Put it in gear. Okay, put her down to about 9. Okay, and ready? Okay, stay on top of the hill. Give yourself some throttle. There you go.
Trying to stay towards the
Now,
car.
yeah. Hey, whoa, don't go sideways down the hill. If you're gonna go down the hill, you need to go straight down it. Don't go sideways. Now watch out where Papa's gonna be coming back. Get somewhere where he can load. Take a gear off going down a hill. You're doing good. Let's wait here. Clutch, brake. Ooh. Now take your throttle down. And we'll do some more driving here in a minute. Put her in park. Good job. Got it gear down going down this hill. I got it. Just keep it going straight. We don't want to lose control. The load is starting pushing us down the hill. We have to be careful. Yeah, be very careful. You're not doing good. You're doing great. Perfect. Yep.
Emma driving.
You got red numbers going back here, right? Okay. Give her some more throttle, Emma. Get off the brakes, Lemuel. Emma just does it by herself. She's 10. She's old enough to do it. I tell her when to hit another gear and stuff, what gear to be in, but she'd go slower if it was just by herself, but when I'm in here, she goes faster. Get a gear, Emma. There you go. Now, Lemuel, you need to, if the viewer, you're going to give the viewers vertigo and make them dizzy if you keep ramming that thing back and forth all the time. Stay on the front for a little bit, or stay out the back, or stay out the side, or stay on Emma, or something for a little bit. We try to get people to like the video and subscribe, and get them to keep and watch the next videos. So we don't want them to be in the hospital with vertigo. Give yourself some throttle, Emma. Yeah, that's good. That's not good. That's great. Okay. Emma brought to us a milkweed seed pod. She's busted it open. Busted it open. And here's the milkweed seeds. Right there. That's what it looks like. Kind of like a pine cone. Except each seed has its own tuft. That's what you'll see floating through the air some falls. It fluffs up, and away it goes. That's milkweed, that's what monarchs. Then look now. This one got froze, didn't do so well.